All oil and oil filters are not created equal. That's why using Toyota Genuine Motor Oils and oil filters designed specifically for your vehicle can help ensure your Toyota reaches its optimum performance, enhanced fuel economy, and better engine protection. Engine oil is constantly being contaminated with carbon, moisture, and microscopic metallic grit, and over time filters become clogged and this may cause premature engine wear. Your Toyota Genuine Oil Filter is designed to remove harmful contaminants and particles that can damage your engine. Toyota Genuine Oil Filters also contain a dual texture element that helps ensure effective filtration and clog resistance for superior performance. The relief valve allows some oil flow even if the filter is clogged, while the check valve ensures oil is ready to start up. Changing your motor oil and filter every 6 months or 8,000 kilometers and using Toyota Genuine Motor Oil and filters will offer your engine the protection it needs. Proper lube, oil, and filter maintenance plays a key role in Toyota's legendary quality, durability, and reliability. Maintenance requirements and intervals are available through the maintenance menu on www.toyota.ca/maintenance and in your owner's manual supplement. Your service advisor will also let you know when your Toyota is due for its next service.